Found another quality issue in here. Not sure what's going on with this piece of trim, but it randomly popped out and I cannot seem to get it to clip back in. So I guess that'll be the first thing I actually ask the dealership about. UPS just dropped off these ARK Splash Guards. These are to protect the sensors on the suspension, so let's go ahead and see what we got. Alright, so here they are. That's what they look like. Came with instructions, some washers, and then the guards themselves. Now these, there are some different options online for these. There's some metal ones out there from different brands, but these are actually just thick plastic. So they're super light, and you can get whatever color you want for their logo for the most part. I just went with black because I wanted it to be subtle. So let's get these installed and see how they look. Like most things, I'm trying to keep it subtle. So it reuses the factory bolts, but then it has those shiny washers. So I'm gonna hit it with a little black paint, let it dry, and then hit it again. Hopefully just enough that it'll stay subtle in there and it won't look like there's just random pieces with shiny hardware bolted on. All right, my mindset here, holding the plastic right. So I think if you're planning on doing a lot of rock crawling, you should probably get the metal ones. But I think what these would be good at is protecting against like rocks and debris flinging off your tires. So I think this is definitely better than nothing, but I think if you're gonna do a lot of hardcore rock crawling, in that case I probably would spring for the metal instead of the plastic guards. But I don't really plan on doing that, so this should be definitely a lot better than just leaving it exposed. Install was pretty easy. Just 2 bolts, 2 factory bolts even. No more exposed sensors down here. Looks like I had a cat walking on here. Cat with dirty feet. It's kind of nice. Confirmed today that I actually can get this thing in the garage if I need to. I don't exactly have a lot of room to spare or walk in front of it, but the door does close. I've also been trying to figure out how I'm going to spend my rewards points once those come through. And I like how it has these Ford Performance foot sills, but they don't have them on the back. But I was reading on the forum that the ones made for the front fit the back just fine, and it looks like they would. So I'll probably order up a pair of those so that the back looks just as Ford Performance-y as the front. The Ford points did come through, and I did order those door sills. I was thinking about ordering the Tune, but word on the street is the Cobb has the access port coming for these. So I didn't spring for the Tune. I went ahead and ordered those door sills for the rear, and then I ordered the front and rear splash guards, mud guards, whatever, mud flaps, whatever you call them. And let's see, what else? Oh yeah, I went ahead and ordered the black letters to go inside the Ranger. So got those, and then I still have some points left over. I have enough to order the bed mat, so I'm gonna get the bed mat for in here. And then I will probably, that won't finish off the points, but it'll almost finish them off. I'll probably use the rest to just grab another oil filter for a future oil change, but yeah, she's coming along.